What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Jumping right in. This is going to be an install video. Today we are going to change Billy's cage. We're going to install an LSK Suspension weld-it yourself cage. I've seen some videos out there, but I figured I'd do my own and show you guys another option that you have if you are capable at welding, and I only recommend this if you are capable at welding. This is a cheaper option for you. I know some cages are getting pretty expensive, but they offer a very nice cage. As long as you can weld it yourself, you can save a lot of money. They also offer cages that are already welded. You just pay extra for that. But let's jump right into it. And we are gonna have to get this old cage off. I've already kind of started the process. Let's go ahead and take it off. Whew! That's not fun doing that by yourself. Whew! Alright. Cage is off. That's going to Jeremy. Jeremy wanted a chopped cage. Now he's got one. Alright, next. Read instructions, I guess. Alright, just opened it up. What you'll have. If you look, you got pieces all laser etched. And it's clean. Yes. This is gonna be what, 095. So this isn't 120 wall. Depending on your machine, I noticed like the KRXs, things like that, they do have 120 wall, but they're also a little bit heavier, so I'm sure that's part of the reason why they went thicker wall. But this will be fine because they have really good gussets or whatever in the corners and stuff, so I'm happy with it. But yeah, so they also have, look at that one right there. So these will be like little keyways. So you'll be able to kind of piece it together where it's supposed to go. It's pretty cool. Looking over the instructions, this is what you get. Boom. Each tube will have like a little laser etch that'll tell you where it goes. It's like a little map. It says driver side tubes have normal written edge marks, passenger side tubes have backwards written edge marks, and all single tubes have edge marks located on the driver's side. So just watch for that when you go ahead and build it up. All right, so I was a little confused for a second. I reread the instructions. I thought for some reason I was backwards, but first thing, pay attention to your keyholes right there. And then I thought I was backwards. I thought I had the passenger side on the driver's side and the driver's side on the passenger side. But after looking at the instructions again, part of the instruction says that the etches will be on the driver's side. So I got to this, I'm like, oh no, maybe I'm backwards. But they say for these, I guess for your A-pillar, that this will be written on the backwards for the passenger side. So this is written backwards. There you go, RC1. And then this one written forward, RC1. So I am correct. Thought I was backwards, but I'm not. And then if you look at the picture, they actually have the etch right there, RC1. And there isn't one on this side. It's on the other side. It's on the passenger side. So, yeah, I was thinking of the single tubes. All the single tubes are etched on the driver's side, that side. So, but if you're ever lost, just look at the picture. They have the etches showing on there as well. Just keep on going. We'll get some, I'll get the B-pillars and get the roof on and get it all squared up and clean up my joints and stuff and start tacking. All right, so I've got everything kind of just mocked. I still got to center that one, make sure I'm centered side to side. It's got a keyway on the back, but I still want to make sure the front is centered on where the windshield part would be. I got everything still kind of, it's snug, but it's not tight. Because we still got to get some braces in, and just that way you can make little tweaks. And then the other thing you want to watch out for with your B-pillars, if you notice, there's a little notch on this brace here. There's a notch right here, and that's so that this can line up and fit right in that slot. So like when it's all together, see how it sits up in there? That way this can all get fused together. Let me weld it. So intrusion bar time, front and back, and then I'll start doing little gussets or whatever and see where we're at. Cool. I was just kind of fitting the rear intrusion bar back here. I'm gonna be able to do that after I tack it up and everything. Once again, this part of the intrusion bar, I'll have to wait till I get it tacked a little bit because I can't got no way to support it. So it's pretty straightforward. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. All right, got my welding stuff on. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean up, get a nice clean surface in these areas, get rid of any of the oil, because sometimes, well, not sometimes, they have oil on these to keep them from rusting. So I'm just gonna kind of clean them up a little bit, then start tacking them. I'll do 4 tacks in each corner, basically. You know, 1, 2, 3, 4, just little tacks just to hold it in place. Make sure everything's still good. And then after that, tack the intrusion bars, and then once it's somewhat together, I'll take it off, put it on the ground, and finish welding it. Then the next task will actually be the roof, because I got the tabs that are gonna have to go up. I'm gonna get that all lined up. Gotta line up the roof, but we're not there yet. We'll get there. So yeah, I'll put you on another time lapse, and get this thing done. All right, so that's it for tacking. I still got to get the roof on, but got the intrusion bar tacked. I think we're pretty squared up. Got the rear intrusion bar tacked. Got these like gussets or whatever. I like those. Those are all tacked in. Heck yeah. So I'm just gonna add a, I don't know, I might actually throw a bead on here because I want these to stay pretty rigid when I take it off to do my final prep. But yeah, that's it so far. Gonna figure out how I'm gonna do the roof exactly. Yeah, we'll get back to it. Thing I'm working on right now is these harness brackets. So just kind of got them straight and about parallel with each other as much as I could. They look pretty darn close. So when I measured on the stock cage from here to the face of the bracket for the Click 6 mount, it was like 4.5 inches, but it brought it like way out here. So I don't know if you can see it, but the opening of my seats are about like that. So I basically kind of offset it from the corner of that just a little bit, just so they would be a little more direct. They wouldn't be off to the side. They're a little more direct into that hole. If I got different seats that had a different hole, different pattern, then I'd probably have to adjust these. I don't know, but since that's what I have, that's what I'm gonna mock them up as. I'll do the same thing with this side, and then after that, I will have to start working on the roof, get that all tacked up, and then we should be able to hopefully take it off and finish weld this whole thing. And she'll be ready for final welding. Cool. Let's see. See? Here we go. So this is it. I got a couple more touch-up things to do. Just touching up a few welds. But yeah, it's not too hard. It's somewhat straightforward. A couple things I had issues with, but I made it work and put some harness brackets in, the Click 6 brackets. Yeah, the roof is all done. Just gotta clean her up, and then yeah, that's it. She'll be ready for powder coat.